Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to do keyword research with one of the best SEO tools, SEMrush. These tools or companies didn't provide accurate information, but they are approx same as actual. So the SEMrush is the best keyword research tool. Now, without wasting the time, let's start. As you can see, here are much tools for optimizing your content, then writing articles using it, creating backlinks, market trends, and much more. You can also increase your visibility and create social backlinks by it. Okay, we're doing keyword research, so you have to click Keyword Magic Tool. Okay, so write any word on which you want keywords or want to optimize. I am writing digital marketing. You can choose any word which represent your niche or related to your niche. Okay, so as you can see, there are approx 2,23,000 keywords which have been searched in US. Our targeting country is United States. You can choose any of your country which you want to target. We didn't have to see all these keywords. We will make a filter on these keywords, like we have to find high volume and less keyword difficulty keywords. From volume, we will select 1,000 to 10,000, and for difficulty, we will select 0 to 49. Intent means the tone of your title or keyword, which can be informational or whatever. Include filter means that you can add some words like how, what, why. Okay, so as you can see, here are only 2 keywords which have a good volume with low difficulty. You can do more specifically research like digital marketing in 2025 or digital marketing and ROI. Now we will search for iPhone 16, so let's see what type of results it will provide us. First, remove the filters, then see the results. Asterisk. And it show much keywords now. Again, put filters on it and check the result. Here are some A words which have low difficulty and also low traffic. So you had not to consider that type of keywords, asterisk. Now, check again after putting filters. Here are again only some of the keywords which are left by this. You can get best keyword for your content, or also you can find your niche by this method, asterisk. Now see that here is only 1 keyword left, asterisk. From here, you can add some words which you want in your keyword and also exclude which you don't want, like may, etc., asterisk. An advanced filter here is word count feature, by which you can set how much words your keyword have asterisk. Now I will tell you how you can get your audit report of your website for absolutely free, asterisk. SEO Optimizer is a free tool. Click on the first link, asterisk. Out your website name or link, then it will generate a full audit report for you.